Let's continue. I will insert the receiver, looking for correct position of pins. Motor and elevator connectors inside. For the wing holders, I used these carbon rods with a 3 mm diameter, longer in the front. The shorter in the back. I don't glue the rods there, it's not necessary. And definitely don't glue the rear rod because it's necessary for movement. Some rubber eyelets to hold the wing to the fuselage. I will successfully use these 2 rubber eyelets from the model shop. I'll simply put them there. I just insert the rod perfectly. Yeah. I have to check the rod is in the correct position. Well, the front rod is a little bit longer. Take the wing. I have to put the wires into the fuselage. I should be able to find them somewhere around here. I've got them. I'll tighten them up nicely. Thread the rubber eyelet through the hole, fit the wing to the fuselage. I'll put it together nicely here. So this eyelet will be here. Last one here. Beautiful. I will connect the aileron cables to the receiver as usual. Both ailerons, elevator and motor. Check the correct position. Yeah. Well, I'm done with job. I can put receiver into the fuselage. Simply push it inside. Perfect. I'll take my transmitter. I will try whether the model come to life. It looks fine. I'm trying to see if I got the direction of rotation right. Yeah, I have the thrust. I usually use a short piece of Velcro for battery holder. Simply push it inside through the holes in the battery holder. For this particular type of propulsion I chose this battery, quite large. I think this unnecessarily large. It's a 4-cell 2000 mAh. Well, we'll see during the test flight. Yeah, I'm pushing here inside to the fuselage, to the front position. Perfect. For the maiden fly, I move it all the way forward. It's important for the center of gravity. Definitely in front of the main wing spar. Controller simply push on the side. This is how we have it connected, checked. The battery is in the place. The receiver is located inside the fuselage. I think all is perfect. all is ready. You check your radio and try the movement of ailerons, elevator. For a maiden flight, I use smaller deflections of the elevator and ailerons. Definitely for the easy maiden flight, use small deflections. Check the center of gravity, definitely in front of the main spar. It's 45 millimeters from the leading edge. This is simple because the leading edge is straight. I want to experimentally test a multi-rotor propulsion system with prop 8 to 5. I'm ready. We will see you at airfield. Bye.